Waiting for the controls to show up. There they are. Okay, recording in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's time for a quick tutorial here on the crash course of After Effects. I'm going to take this this whole series in chunks. We'll do a few videos here and there. That way you can skip ahead if you don't need to and just go to a different video. In this particular one, we're going to introduce the workspace, importing assets, creating a composition, creating a simple solid color background, and adding text. Now this is the workspace. It's just the standard workspace that comes as a default. I didn't change anything. This is what you will see when you open up the first time that you open up After Effects. This is your project area. This is where you're going to be importing your assets. This is composition area. This is where you're going to see what you've actually worked on. Here's information. The preview, where you have your controls of your play button, next frame, last frame, stuff like that. Characters, this is where you can put your select what type of font you're going to want, and the style. Effects and presets also come in this little spot right here. We're not going to deal with those just quite yet, so I'm just going to leave it at character because we'll talk about that. The paragraph mode is also where it comes up into when we're adding our text. Down over here in this area, this is what I'll refer to as the timeline. Okay, importing your assets. There's a number of ways, just as any other Adobe application is. We'll take them one at a time. It's File, Import, File, and here we'll choose one of these. Second one, a way to grab assets is right click, import, file. Let's take the second one. This will be a JPEG. And then the third way is just your standard drag and drop. Okay, in order to get some stuff done, we need to create a composition. Right here we have none, so let's make a new composition where we have composition, new composition. You can name it if you wish. I'm just leaving it as default for now. You can change the width and the height. This is the dimensions that I'm going to use for right now, so leaving it at that. Composition shows up in this area. It also comes down over here telling you that you have something started in your timeline. Let's get a background for this. I found the easiest way to do this is in the timeline itself. Right click, new, solid, creating a new solid. You can choose different colors if you want. The one that we had right before seemed to be fine. It's pale gray solid. It's going to choose the number for you. Click OK on that one. We have our background. Now let's add some text. To add text, come up over here. We have our type tool and click in an area. Type what you would like. Okay, this is what I'm going to want as my text, and we have a place to start our project. Stop video.